Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and in this video friends we will talk about how to change Facebook password. Friends, you want to change Facebook password, you want to use new password for your Facebook ID. So friends, now let's see how to change Facebook password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook application. After turn Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. Friends, you want to add story, so if you tap here, so you can add story. Friends, you can use your friend request setting. Ways you can watch here. Profile setting you can use, you can edit your profile, and if you tap here, so you can check your notification. Setting friends, we will turn on Facebook setting. After turn on Facebook setting friends, if you click here password and security setting and personal details, so you can use. So friends, we will tap here personal details setting. Personal details setting you can use, you can check your Gmail, your birth date, and profile setting you can use. So friends, password and security we will tap here. Change password option, tap here. Tap on your Facebook profile name, and current password friends we will tap here. So friends, you can see current password. Enter your current password. Okay friends, after enter your current password, enter your new password. After enter new password, and friends again enter your same password here friends, you can see. So friends, you want to copy, so you can copy your password also friends. Copy your password. Okay, after copy your password, friends, after copy password friends, I will paste my password here friends, you can see. After paste password, same password, if you tap here change password friends, your password will change. And friends, your current password is wrong, so you cannot change password. Okay, if you tap here change password, so you can change password, but friends my current password is wrong password. And if you enter wrong password, so friends you can see we cannot change password because current password is incorrect. Please try again. So friends, again enter your correct password. After enter your correct password, your password will change. If you tap here now, your password will change without any problem. So friends, I don't want to change my password, but you want to change password, so enter your current password, enter your new password, and friends remember your new password, and same password again enter here. New password, retype new password, and you can change password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.